4 years ago, at the Farnborough Air Show, the UK's Ministry of Defence announced plans for a new fighter jet program, the Future Combat Air System FCAS. Since then, significant progress has been made on the project, which should not be confused with a separate French-German-Spanish effort. The Tempest program is the next-generation fighter aircraft being developed by the UK Defence Ministry. A $347 million contract has been signed with partners to advance the project. It aims to combine a core aircraft with a network of capabilities such as uncrewed aircraft and advanced data systems, with the goal of entering service in the mid-2030s. The Tempest will replace the Eurofighter Typhoon, and the UK government is in talks with Sweden and India to join the partnership. The Tempest program is set to replace the Eurofighter Typhoon by 2035. The UK government has invested $2.6 billion in the program, with BAE Systems serving as the prime contractor. Other partners include Leonardo UK, and BDA UK, and Rolls-Royce. The Tempest will have a modular internal payload bay that can be configured for different sensors or weapons. It will be compatible with the Meteor long-range air-to-air missiles and Spear 3 cruise missiles and next-generation deep strike missiles. The Tempest program was presented at the Farnborough Air Show and includes the capability to launch hypersonic missiles, which travel at over 5 times the speed of sound, making them difficult to intercept. The aircraft is also believed to be designed to be flown remotely or with a human pilot assisted by a virtual avatar co-pilot that can react to different scenarios. Furthermore, it may work in conjunction with loyal wingman drones, potentially including the ability to launch drone swarms against an adversary's aircraft. The Tempest program may also incorporate wearable cockpit technologies, which would replace traditional physical controls with augmented and virtual reality or VR displays projected inside the pilot's helmet visor. This multimodal cockpit could provide multiple ways for the aircrew to interact with the system, such as through voice, gesture, eye tracking, digital controls, or traditional HODAS hands-on throttle and stick controls. The UK-led Team Tempest has shared some key details about the future fighter. However, there is still much that is unknown about the jet or other aspects of the FCAS project. The Ministry of Defence intends to keep it that way. Security for the top-secret project has been heightened to protect against potential threats from Chinese and Russian spies. It is known that Chinese hackers previously obtained design details for the Lockheed Martin F-22 and F-35 fighters, and BAE Systems is taking measures to prevent similar breaches of data for the Tempest project.